The House Insurance Committee will come to order. Clerk, would you please take attendance?
Chair Harris.
Here.
Representatives Tisdale.
Here.
Leitner.
Here.
Posthumous.
Here.
Aragona.
Here.
Nyer.
Here.
Schutte.
Here.
Carter.
Here.
Tate.
Here.
Fitzgerald.
Here.
Woodsett. Mr. Chair, you have 10 members present, a quorum.
Thank you, sir. Well, welcome back, everybody, for another riveting Insurance Committee meeting with my magnificent vice chairs and Rep. Leitner. So today we'll be voting on a couple of bills that we heard testimony on last time. And again, I try and keep everyone smiling. First, I'm going to read in the cards on House Bill 4071, wishing to not speak, but supports the bill. Ken Morin from the Life Insurance Association of Michigan, not wishing to speak, but supports the bill. Dyke Vancouvering from IAM, not wishing to speak and is neutral on the bill. Jenny Giles from DIFS, and not wishing to speak, but supports the bill. Joe Roth from American Property and Casualty Insurance Association. So thank you for those. So first up is House Bill 4071, sponsored by Minority Vice Chair Carter. And we do have a proposed sub to this bill, which should be before everybody. And Vice Chair Carter, would you like to explain your sub?
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair. And thank you to the committee for allowing me the opportunity to speak. Over the past few weeks, I've been working closely with a number of stakeholders on House Bill 4071. I'm pleased to report that the H2 substitute before you today reflects the results of those productive conversations. I'm proud to say that this version of the bill has received support from the Department of Insurance and Financial Services, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Chubb Insurance, and John Hancock. Let me briefly walk you through these key updates. Section 2. We made clarifying changes to ensure that health insurers are not included in the scope of this bill. That distinction was important to stakeholders and is now clearly reflected in the language. Section 3. We resolved a potential conflict with Representative Aragona's House Bill 4179 by revising the language accordingly. We also removed reference to the director promulgating rules. It was recommended to be unnecessary. The definition of consumer. We restored the definition of consumer that was unintentionally removed in a previous draft. That term is now properly defined and aligned with our intent. Again, thank you, Mr. Chair, for bringing this bill before the committee, and I'm happy to answer any questions.
Thank you, Madam Vice Chair. I don't believe we have any questions.
That's good.
Anybody? No? Do we have a motion on the sub? Rep. Fitzgerald makes that motion. And Mr. Clerk, would you please take the roll?
On the motion to adopt, Chair Harris.
Yes.
Representatives Tisdale.
Yes.
Leitner.
Yes.
Posthumous.
Yes.
Aragona.
Yes.
Nyer.
Yes.
Schutte.
Yes.
Carter.
Yes.
Tate.
Yes.
Fitzgerald.
Yes.
Woodsett. Mr. Chair, you have 10 yeas, 0 nays, 0 pass. The motion prevails.
Thank you, Mr. Clerk. And I need a motion to report House Bill 4071 as substituted and with a recommendation that it pass. And we'll do Rep. Fitzgerald again. We're going to keep you busy today. All right. And Mr. Clerk, would you please take that roll?
On the motion to report, Chair Harris.
Yes.
Representatives Tisdale.
Yes.
Leitner.
Yes.
Posthumous.
Yes.
Aragona.
Yes.
Nyer.
Yes.
Schutte.
Yes.
Carter.
Yes.
Tate.
Yes.
Fitzgerald.
Yes.
Woodsett. Mr. Chair, you have 10 yeas, 0 nays, 0 pass. The motion prevails.
Thank you. House Bill 4071 is reported with recommendation. Next up, House Bill 4178, sponsored by our very own Rep. Aragona. I need a motion to report House Bill 4178 with recommendation that it pass, and I think we have a volunteer of Rep. Schutte down at the end. So thank you. And Mr. Clerk, will you please call the roll?
On the motion to report, Chair Harris?
Yes.
Representatives Tisdale,
Yes.
Leitner,
Yes.
Posthumous,
Yes.
Aragona,
Yes.
Nyer,
Yes.
Shudi,
Yes.
Carter,
Yes.
Tate,
Yes.
Fitzgerald,
Yes.
Witsett. Mr. Chair, you have 10 yeas, 0 nays, 0 pass. The motion prevails.
Thank you, Mr. Clerk. And can I have a motion to approve the minutes from the March 26th meeting? Minority Vice Chair Carter makes that motion, and seeing no objection, the minutes are approved. And can I have a motion to excuse absent members? Minority Vice Chair Carter again. Thank you.
He was gonna be busy.
I thought he can only handle so much. All right. Rep. Carter makes that motion without objection. Absent members are excused, and with no further business before the committee, wait, hold on. Did we hit 10 minutes? Yes. Okay. All right. We're good. We are adjourned. Thank you for coming.